Chord or knot magic is an old form of folk magic that is still widely used today. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm coming out of Aradia's closet to help you create, cultivate, and live a more magical life. What I like about chord magic is that it's super simple. All you need is a chord corresponding to the color of your desire. Say pink for healing, red for love. Today we're going to use green for money. So if there's a need that you have for money, say you want to buy a new car, or you want to buy a new house, or you want to pay off a debt, or you're trying to get tickets to a show, whatever it is that you need money for. So you take a 13-inch cord in length to start, and then you're going to tie it into a series of knots with an enchantment of words, and they go like this. You'll start by tying the first knot at one end of the cord and saying, "By knot of one, my spell has begun." The second knot will be tied at the other end of the cord while saying, "By knot of two, my words are true." The third knot will be tied in the center of the cord with the words, "By knot of three, my will comes to be." This is where the pattern starts to get a little bit tricky. The fourth knot is tied between the first and the third knots with the words, "By knot of four, power in store." So the spell calls for a series of 9 knots. For those of you worried about keeping up on the pattern, don't worry, there's going to be a diagram at the end. The fifth knot will be tied in the center between the third and the second knot with the words, "By knot of 5, my spell is alive." The sixth knot is tied between the first and the fourth knot with the words, "By knot of 6, the spell is fixed." The seventh knot is tied between the fourth and the third knot with the words, "By knot of 7, the answer is given." The eighth knot is tied between the third and the fifth knot with the words, "By knot of 8, it melds with fate." The ninth knot is tied between the fifth and the second knot with the words, "By knot of 9, what I desire is mine." Knot magic is used for drawing something to you. So for my little cord, I'm going to keep it in my pocket. Or you could bury it in your front yard. Or to really get it in motion, you can set it on fire. It's that simple. I hope you found that informative. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And as promised, here's that diagram on the knot sequence. Remember, the hardest part is getting started.